Hello, children. Welcome you all to the second part of chapter 1 of your Grammar with a Smile book, Parts of Speech. Here is a quick recap of the chapter. Okay, what we had learned in the last class. Let's go through it once again. We had learned that there are 8 parts of speech in English language. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. A noun suggests the name of a place, people, animal, thought, or ideas. So, nouns are the naming words. After noun comes the pronoun. A pronoun takes the place of a noun in a sentence. Then your adjective. An adjective describes the noun or pronoun in a sentence. After that, verb. A verb tells us what someone does, is, or has, or it expresses the action, being, or position of something or somebody. After verbs, it is adverb. Adverbs modify the verbs, adjective, or another adverbs to make it more understandable. Okay, after that, prepositions. Prepositions show the relationship between the noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. It also shows the uh, place, time, and direction of the noun or pronoun in a sentence. After that, conjunction. Conjunctions are the words that join two words or two group of words or sentences together. Interjections are the words that express strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation mark, right? So these are the all 8 parts of speech along with some examples given below them. You don't have to write them in your copy, just go through them to refresh what you have learned. Right, now it is our turn to go to the exercise. This is the exercise. Okay, the first part of the exercise. What you have to do, you have to read these sentences carefully, mention the parts of speech of the words in each sentence. One example is given to you. Look at the rainbow in the sky. Here in this sentence, what each word suggests, which parts of speech it is, you have to identify it. So children, what you need to do, you have to make a column like the one I showed you in the recap portion. Okay, just make a table with 8 columns with all parts of speech written on top. Then you have to read the sentence and put the correct word under the particular column. Right, now let's get back to the example once again. Look at the rainbow in the sky. In the sky, in this sentence, what are the nouns, what are the naming words given? Rainbow and sky, these two are the naming words or the nouns. Look is the verb, at and in are the prepositions. Let's find out which parts of speech are present in the second sentence. Stop. Don't jump into the pool. The water is filthy. In this sentence, can you identify the nouns? Yes. Pool and water are the nouns. And verb, don't jump is. These three are the verbs, right? Filthy is the adjective. Into is the preposition. And stop is an interjection, right? Now let's move on to the third sentence. The Rajdhani Express was delayed because of a technical snag. In this sentence, the nouns are Rajdhani Express and snag, right? And what are the verbs? Was delayed. This is the verb, right? Then your technical is an adjective and because of is a preposition. Okay. Now let's go to the fourth one, several areas of Bihar and West Bengal were flooded. Here, Bihar, West Bengal, these two are the nouns, and you can see one and is joining these two words. So, and is a conjunction, and what are the what is the verb, or what are the verbs present here? Where is a verb. Then several, flooded, these two are the adjective, and of is the preposition, and is the conjunction I told you before. Now the fifth one, let's see. The police could barely control the crowd that ran onto the streets. Here, in this sentence, what are the nouns? Yes, police, crowd, streets, these three are the nouns. And could, control, ran, these three are the verbs. Barely is an adverb because it is giving us more information about the verb, right? And the preposition is onto. Now children, likewise you try to solve the rest of the questions. Okay, there are 15 of them. Try to solve the rest. Now let's move on to the second part of the exercise, the B part. Read this poem and complete it with suitable words. Okay, uh, when you start reading you will understand what exactly you have to do. Let me do some of the blank spaces for you. Okay, the first one, every name is called a dash. Every name is called, naming word is what? Noun. So every name is called a noun. A field and fountain, streets and town. In place of noun, the dash stands. What stands in place of noun? Pronoun. Okay, so the pronoun stands as he and she can clap their hands. The adjective describes a thing as dash wand. Describe a wand, what you can put before it? Magic wand. And dash ring, expensive ring, right? Here I'm putting the word expensive. I'm describing a ring with the help of an adjective called expensive. You can put any. So, but let's stick to one, expensive, right? Then come to the next blank space. The dash means action, something done. What means action? The verb means action, right? Similarly, you need to do rest of the blank spaces on your own. Okay. Now children, I have given you the answer key, but don't jump to the answer key in the on the first glance itself. Try to do the question answer on your own, right? After that, you can follow the answer key to see whether your answers are correct or not. Okay, this is the answer key. Okay, so I hope you have understood the chapter, and I'm planning to give you a practice worksheet along with this. You will get a PDF along with this video, so try to solve that. Okay, okay children, thank you so much.